फिर से बिना किसी उचित कारण के व्हाट्सएप ने मेरे अकाउंट को ब्लॉक किया है। दिस अकाउंट कैन नो लॉन्गर बी यूज्ड व्हाट्सएप ड्यू टू स्पैम। मेरे द्वारा किसी भी तरीके की कोई भी चीज़ नहीं भेजी गई है, केवल अपना वीडियो, अपना डायलॉग जो क्राइम फ्री भारत यूट्यूब चैनल पर अपलोडेड है उसे भेजा गया है। मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि व्हाट्सएप बार बार गलत तरीके से प्रेशराइज कर रहा है, गलत कार्रवाई कर रहा है। इसमें वो बता रहे हैं कि अब 24 घंटे के लिए ये बंद रहेगा और जब ये रीस्टोर कर देंगे तो भी 2-2, 3-3 दिन तक जो है वो इनिशलाइज नहीं होता है। इस प्रकार यह बहुत ही गलत कार्रवाई है। इसमें आप देखिए, मैंने लिखा है इट इज़ एट्रोशियस एंड ऑब्स्ट्रक्शनिस्ट टैक्टिक्स ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ व्हाट्सएप। ऑल स्क्रीनशॉट्स आर बीइंग सेव्ड टू टेक ए लीगल recourse against the WhatsApp. Senior officers would be informed about the misdeed of Indian counterpart. I presume it must be done in connivance of the some officers of Government of India under political patronage. Everyone has to pay for the violation of terms of service by the WhatsApp team. I once again request you to desist from such tactics. A detailed account is being preserved for necessary legal action. The last video the link has been sent. Now this video will also be uploaded on Crime Free Bharat. मैथिली शरण गुप्ता, फॉर्मर डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस। अब इसमें ये इसके पहले भी गड़बड़ हुआ है, इसमें भी देखिए इसी तरीके की कार्रवाई इन्होंने की थी। द सेम थिंग हैज़ बीन डन एंड इसके बाद इनिशियलाइजेशन में इट हैज़ टेकन सो लॉन्ग। अगेन देखिए, ये इनिशियलाइजेशन के लिए कई दिन लग रहे हैं। देखिए फिर भी जो है, अभी भी जो है, तो इट इज़ नॉट दे आर ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिंग, दे आर ब्लॉकिंग। आई कैन नॉट create a broadcast group. They say the broadcast group, the message will only be delivered to the people, those who are the part of those who have preserved my number. This is again a fictitious requirement. I have saved some screenshot. I would like to show that it. Same story. Yeah, it can be read. Only contact with 9425606040 in their address book will receive your broadcast. Why? It is a fictitious things has been done. I cannot search any number. Searching any number itself is difficult for me. For example, Sanjeev. Luckily it has come. Sanjeev Gupta. I am lucky this time, at least it is showing some result. I don't know, they must be observing. So this video is more meant for as a evidence which will be produced in court of law for taking necessary action against the WhatsApp team, which is doing all kind of the obstructionist activity in connivance with sub-government of India officials. And these officials are working on the political waste. They are doing the similar activity with the Kutumb app also. We will be taking up all scoundrel officers of the government of India and the politicians who are behind this. These bloody bad element, those who doesn't want good India, they will be defeated in due course of the time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Once again, let me introduce. I am a responsible citizen of Government of India. I am IPS officer of 1984 batch, having 13 degrees, 3 awards, 13th medal, and I had been DGP for 7 long years. I was DG Railway, I was DGP Home Guard, Civil Defense, Disaster Management, and SDRF, and I was DGP Police Reform. I was IGP Operations CRPF Kashmir. I was DIG Garhwal ITBP. I was DIG Administration ITBP, and had been SP Bhopal, Tikamgarh, Mandla, Guna, and SRP of the Jabalpur. So everywhere we have done excellently, exceedingly well, but I feel rascals are those who doesn't want good India with 21 objective and 5 fundamental right to flourish. They are adopting such kind of obstructionist tactics, and for that they are using some bad officials of Government of India, those who are conniving with these politicians for narrow political gains. I am very sure these officials must be paying money to the Indian WhatsApp team for achieving this illegal purpose. All these things will be taken before the court of law for necessary punishment to all of them, and also a right kind of compensation should be given to the President Crime Free Bharat Maithili Sharan Gupta, so that others would not be in position to repeat the same. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram, Jai Gurudev.